Hi,
Hello.
what's the date today?
It's the 13th of January.
What did she do yesterday?
She had a party.
What didn't she do yesterday?
She didn't went to the store.
The boy is going to go to the mountains. What should he take?
He should take a flashlight.
What does she want to be?
She wants to be an architect.
Which bag is the biggest?
The green bag is the biggest.
What did you do yesterday?
I took a test.
What does the boy's grandpa look like?
She has straight hair and ponytail, and she has green eyes.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to go to the supermarket.
Where is he going to go?
He's going to go to the barber shop.
What does he have to do?
He has to wash the dishes.
Thank you.
Welcome.